The vast majority of traders are absolutely clueless about what I am about to share with you. So you are quite fortunate to be watching this video. This is truly the best time to be a forex trader because of all the wealth of information that is available on the internet. The problem is that this information is not converting people into competent traders. This dilemma is the exact reason why traders like myself offer mentorship services. Click the link in the description section below and get a free 20 minutes consultation. So, you need to understand that visual theory and real-life application of forex concepts are two drastically different skill sets. Make sure you remember that the next time you are applying a strategy that you have found on the internet. That being said, it is now time to break down the exact location of liquidity hotspots, which are all over your chart, but you just can't find them. This is my method. You must first dissect the chart into different days. Each day is displayed by indicator called the high-low day box. The diamond at the beginning and at the end of each box shows us where the day starts and where the day ends. The high of each day is shown by the line at the top, and the low of each day is shown by the line at the bottom. That is all there is to this indicator. I use it to see the ranges of each day, and depending on which strategy I use on a particular day. It also quickly identifies daily liquidity levels. Each swing high and low has stop losses. The higher is the time frame, the bigger is the volume of liquidity that is resting at that level. Daily highs and lows are perfect for liquidity grabs. Let me repeat that again. Daily highs and lows are perfect for liquidity grabs. This is because they are easily reached by algorithmic programs that the big banks use in order to place their trades. It's easy money for them. But if you know how to capitalize on these levels being reached, then you also can be securing and growing your capital with this knowledge. Now, another liquidity area which regularly gets grabbed by the price action before making explosive moves is previous day swing highs or previous day swing lows. Some days may have several swing lows or highs, so you need to be patient. Personally, I set alarms on all of these levels in order to reduce my screen time. As soon as the alarm which I set gets triggered, I open my chart and see if there is an indecision. Candle indecision is a sign that there is a possibility that this is the exact level which the banks are using. Whenever price breaks the level of swing liquidity, that means this is not the level you should be focusing on. You need to narrow your focus and limit your mind from drifting sporadically in different directions. As a mentor, that is a common flaw I see in aspiring traders who lack consistency. Strategically, you must multiply the knowledge of being able to spot precise levels of liquidity, where the price is aiming to stop hunt people out of their trades, with the ability of finding strong demand or supply areas, and you will become a solid, consistent trader. Let's now look at the example on the screen. What a beautiful set this was. It's like a work of art. In this section, we can see the liquidity pool. Pay attention to how price purposefully dipped and dived into the liquidity pool area of influence. This is the section of the graph, followed by break of structure. This break of structure specifically overtook the previous swing before making a return towards the new demand candle, also known as the order block. The impulsive move to the upside is the markup. To the left of the markup we have accumulation, where price consolidates in order to accumulate orders. These concepts were originated by Wyckoff. Give this video a thumbs up. If you like the information shared in this video, subscribe, leave a comment and hit the bell in order to be notified as soon as Toxability releases a new video. And click the link in the description if you want to accelerate your trading results. Take care. Thank you for watching this video to the very end. Your attention span is most assuredly better than average. I have included a liquidity sweep flowchart strategy I personally use. You can download it in the description section. Finally, be definite about goals. Do not be discouraged by temporary defeat, and make steady plans that you can carry out towards becoming a forex master.